Yo guys, this is Lokesh from the Tech Guy, and I want to welcome you to my very first video in YouTube, and I am gonna start off with this HTML series. So, in this course, we are gonna be covering about HTML in depth, but before doing so, I will be talking about the prerequisites that you need in order to start this course. So, what you need to know, and there is absolutely nothing that you need to know in order to start this course. You might be thinking that you need to know some web design or something, but you are wrong, my friend. It's just you need an internet connection and a computer in order to start the course. So what we will be covering in this course, so we will start off with the basics of how a website works. So for example, if you go to Google and type in https://www.facebook.com, there is some process that is happening in the backend in order to display the web page. So we will just have a brief overview of how that web page is actually displayed. Then we will start off with what HTML is, and we will be choosing a text editor in order to start writing the HTML code, and a browser in order to display our HTML page, and we will be going over different HTML tags such as links, list, tables, images, etc. And the most important part in HTML is HTML forms. As you can see, in every social media websites or any web page that you go, they might ask you to sign in or sign up. So all the sign in and sign up that you see on the front end, it's all written using HTML. So we will be covering about the HTML forms in depth, and there is something called as a block element, inline element, div and spine, IDs and classes. These are very important in the HTML world, so we will be discussing about that. And finally, we will be discussing about something called as an HTML5 semantic tags, which was introduced because it is mainly used to better layout our web pages. So we will be also covering about that in depth. So these are the things that we will be covering in this course, my friends. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.